نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه وبعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Alhamdulillah, welcome everyone to lesson number 18 of study of Nahw. And Alhamdulillah, we are studying and learning about fail in these sessions. Alhamdulillah, we have done a few of the basic topics of understanding fail. So let's begin with our lesson for today. Inshallah. Today I'm going to uh, explain few of the huruf or terms that we came across in the previous sessions, in last sessions. Because uh, you know, uh, we are in the uh, phase of learning about our basic Arabic grammar. So few terms might get confusing to learn, and I hope that as we progress, inshallah, these terms will be, and if you keep on memorizing those terms, they will be very helpful in your advanced studies, and inshallah, they will come in handy. So, Alhamdulillah, let's start, and I want to introduce few of the Arabic terms. Let me show the slide. Last time we did the pronouns with the man as an maf'ul, and we came across this topic of the alif and the this wow, the added wow. So this alif is called the Alif Al-Fariqah, and this wow is called the wow al-Ishba. So I thought that I should explain these terms that we usually come across when we are doing study of asma and afal. So inshallah, let's see what are these terms mean. كيف نفرق بين الألف الفارقة and واو الجمع, واو الجمع and واو or أصلية. So these are the few terms that we are going to learn, that how can we differentiate Alif Al-Fariqah and Waw Jama and Waw Jam'a and Waw Asliya. So let's start with Alif Al-Fariqah. So every uh, every past tense verb with a wow at the end, and there is no damir muttasil or attached pronoun comes after it. It is called the vowel jama. Vowel jama. So it is necessary to put alif farika after the vowel, like nasaru. If you remember your nasara chart, and I hope that you have memorized those charts, those who are following my sessions. We did Nasara, Nasara, Nasaru. So in Nasaru, they, home form, we added an alif. Let me show you after the wow. Like you can see here, katabu. Kataba, kataba, katabu. Here, this alif. So every past tense verb with a wow at the end and no Tamir Muttasil added here, and there you can see the wow added here. It is vowel jama'a. Vowel jama'a. So it is necessary to put alif al-farika after the wow. Like katabu, nasaru, darabu. You have to. you need to put Alif Al-Fariqah after the vowel Jama'a. Okay, vowel Jama'a. Okay, so see here, Alif Al-Fariqah, it is an ism that comes after the vowel Jama'a if there is no Damir Muttasil added. Like, see, what does that mean? Zamir Muttasil added. You can see here in the last session we did Nasarahu, Nasaraka, and here Nasaruhu. You can see here we attached Damair Muttasil with the Jumla Fa'iliya, and we learned that in the form when for whom Siha we drop this alif, and this alif farika will be dropped if there is a Damir Muttasil added to the Jumla Fa'iliya, to a word. So see here, there is no Alif Farika which is dropped. See here, there is Al-Farika here in the example. Why? Because there is no Damir Muttasil added in the sentence. So this Alif Farika has to come, it will come when there is no Damir Muttasil added to a Jumla failure for a hum siwa. Alhamdulillah. So now how to differentiate how to differentiate between بين vowel الجماعة and بين vowel فعل أصلية. So what is فعل أصلية? Most of the Urdu speaker must know that أصلية comes from asl, and asli means real. So what does real means? We learned about the root letters, and we haven't done the irregular surf, and we haven't started it yet in our surf studies. But uh, just a little introduction that when there are huruf illa, alif, waw, and ya in root letters, so that will be in irregular surface studies. So that wow is fairly asliya. If there is a wow in the root letters, that wow is the real wow, that is from the root letter. So to differentiate between lamayyazu baynaha wa bayna, differentiate between vowel jama'a and vowel asliya, this wow we need to put alif al-fariqa. So Alif Al-Fariqah comes from the Farq. Farq means to differentiate, to differ. It means to differentiate between these two vowel Jama'a and vowel Fa'il Asliya. We need to put Alif Al-Fariqah with the and in the end of a vowel. So it only will be added, with this vowel Jama'a, this al-Fariq, and it shouldn't be added with the root letter vowel asliya like yarju, yahfu, yalu. This vowel is a root letter. Yarju comes from raja, yarju. So the root letters are re, jim, and wow. So this wow, because it is from the root letters, we are not going to put alif al-farika in the end. But because this vowel jama'a, it is not, this vowel is not from the root letter, and it is only showing us the quantity, and that is hum, they, the absent siga of the plural form. They show, this shows that this vowel is not the original, not the asli vowel, and that is why to differentiate between the asli vowel, the real vowel, with the vowel jama'a, we need to put the alif farika in the end of the word. Alhamdulillah. So this is the difference between Jama'a and Waul Asliya. Now, what about Waul Jam'a? Waul Jam'a. What is that? Wow. So see here, Waul Jam'a is the wow that comes with the asma. Like we did the Muslim chart, and I know that you already know this chart. Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna, Muslimuna, Muhandisuna, Talibuna. So this all the adding vowel do that vowel is a vowel jam'a for a hum siga. All right. So this vowel is called the vowel jam'a, which is, you can see the spelling is also different. There is an alif of a jama'a, and this is jam'a. There's a difference of the spelling as well. And this vowel Jama only comes with the afal, and vowel Jama comes with the asma. So Alhamdulillah, there is another rule uh, about Alif Al-Fariqah as well. You can say that while making the Dafa construction, the Mudaf and Mudaf ilayh, and if one of this Jama Siga, whom, you can say Muslimuna, you can take Muslimuna, for example, Muslimuna, if you need to put it in the Idafa construction, and if Muslimuna is your Mudaf, you know the rule, you have to drop the noon to make it light. While dropping the noon, there, then you come with this, then you will only have this wow ending. So this is your mudaf and this is your mudaf ilayh. So there you will not put the alif farika because it only comes with the afal. And because this mudaf, this word is from the asma, you do not need to put an extra وَفَلَا يَجُوزُ أَن نَقُولَ مُحَدِّثُ الشِّقَّةِ. You see here, you will not put this alif. And it should be like this, with only this al of this. This alif farika will not come with the asma. We cannot write alif al farika with the asma. Alhamdulillah. So, all the fa'le madi, as I mentioned, those who end with damir muttasil will not have alif farika with the vowel jama'a. And if there is no damir muttasil, like nasaru, who, nasaruhu, there is a damir muttasil, you are going to drop the alif farika. All right? And if there is no damir muttasil, you are going to write alif al-farika to differentiate between vowel jama'a and vowel al-asliya. Alhamdulillah. And also, this rule also applies with fi'l amr as well. Why making fi'l amr as well, fi'l amr, waw asliya will be dropped like this. You know that the yadu, many of you, those who are in the students of the advanced grammar, they know that the yadu is from the dal, ain, and waw, and this waw is the asliya. So by making the fairly you need to drop this waw, and it will be udbu. And see here, there is no alif farika because this is a real letter. This is a wow asliya. This is from a root letters. And في الفعل هنا مبني على حذف حروف إلا. We know that wow is from the حروف إلا, and what are they? Alif, wow, and ya. And if the same thing applies, that see here, because this was the hua form, you need to drop the wow. But when writing for the home version, that is Udu, you are supposed to write the whole word. Waw and Alif will remain there. Just like that, here, the Juha, Lam Yaktubu, Yahfizu, Lan Yaghlubu. So here, you can see that we are writing Alif al-Farika because there is no Damir Muttasil attached to it. And it is necessary to put Alif al-Farika after this. But for the Hua version, we need to drop this vowel to make the fairly Alif. And inshallah, we will be studying it in detail when we'll be doing start this fairly in our surface studies and also in fair studies, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. So here we can see the examples, and this chart will make the things more clear, and you will get a clear picture of these terms, inshallah. So see here, Alif Al-Fariqah, Waw Jama'a, and Waw Jama'a, Waw Asliya, and Waw Ishba that I told you about in the last session, that this is an extra wow that we add. So look, you can see here Alif Al-Farika, that comes after vowel Jama'a, and this wow is not the real or asli wow because this is not from the root letter. To differentiate between the root letter and the vowel Jama, we need to put this Alif Al-Fariqah after a verb, after a Jumla failure. And then vowel Jama, as I told you, that for whom Siga, we need, this is our file and this is our file marfu. This is our file marfu. All right. Nasaru, this is our file marfu, and this is called the vowel Jama'a of the whom Siga. What about vowel Jama? Muhaddisuna, as I mentioned, that vowel Jama is the vowel that comes with the with asma only, and this Jama vowel Jama will not come with a fal. For the fal, that vowel this vowel is called vowel Jama'a. Vowel Jama only comes with the asma. Muhaddisuna. What about the vowel asliya? Vowel asliya is the vowel that is the root letter. Raja yarju, this is the fa'il madi, and for fa'il madi raja, we have yarju for fa'il mudari. And this vowel shows that this is our real or asli letter. This is from the root letters re, jim, and vaw. Vowel ishba, in case of darabtumuhu or saltumuhu, we learned that it has no grammatical role and it is there only for the ease of pronunciation, and it is called vowel ishba. Vowel ishba is for the ease of pronunciation, and we need to put this after the version. Antum darabtum. But while adding damir muttasil to our jumla fa'liya darabtum, antum version, we need to put this extra vowel ishba after our meme. Darabtumuhu. Darabtumuhu, and it has no grammatical role to play, and it is there for ease of pronunciation. Alhamdulillah. And there are some other examples, fa'il madi, fa'il mudari, and fa'il amr, showing a vowel jama'a and alif al-fariqa. Darabu, layyamalu, imalu, sharibu, layyazhabu, izhabu, lam ya'malu, lam yazhabu. These are all the negative فعل مضارع, and inshallah we will see that how we can make فعل مضارع in the negative forms. But just to differentiate the vowel jama'a and alif al-fariqa, these examples are given here, so the concept will be clear, inshallah. So you can see there that there are no damir muttasil attached to them, and if we are going to attach any damir muttasil, we need to drop this alif al-fariqa. For example, if we put here Antaka, Darabuka. We need to drop this. They hit you. They all hit you. So this we need to drop this alif al farika to attach or damir muttasil. Darabuka, darabuhu, darabuna. We need to drop this alif farika. Just like sharibu and amalu, layamalu. Again, if we are adding damir muttasil to the end of the words, we need to drop these alif al-farika in our sentences. And remember this alif al-farika and vowel jama'a only comes with the afal. Vowel jam'a comes with the asma, the nouns only. This comes vowel jama only comes with the fail, verbs only. Alif farika will only come in the end of the jumla failure with the wow versions only. And wow asliya is a root letter which will not have alif al farika in the end. And vowel ishba is an extra vowel that is only used to have the ease in a pronunciation. Alhamdulillah. So these are the few terms that I want you to memorize and to learn. And if they are too overwhelming or too difficult, so you can leave them and just remember that these are if you will remember them, it will be very easy for you, and they will really come in handy when you come across these words in your era books. But for now, it is not necessary because we are just the beginners and we are learning each and every day. New words are adding up in a Arabic dictionary. So Alhamdulillah, these are few of the words that I want you to know today. So inshallah, I'll see you in the next lesson, and I hope that you will memorize all the previous sessions that we have done so far. So it will be good that we'll have a solid base for the next lessons, inshallah. Uh, I'll end the session here. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.